Good morning, Year 1. Today we're going to be doing some maths. We're going to be looking at some numbers and looking at the tens and the ones in the number and making them using tens frames. So you need to have a look in your home learning pack and see if you can find your tens frames that we sent you. Okay, and we're going to need those today. Let's have a look at our first problem then. So here we can see I've written down the number 12 and we're going to be looking at that number really carefully today and seeing if we can make it on those tens frames. So the number 12 has got two digits. We've got the number 1 and the number 2. And the number 1 is telling us that that has 1 10 and the number 2 is the ones number, so it has two ones. So now we can use our tens frames to make that number 12, making 1 10 and 2 ones. So we know on a tens frame, when a tens frame is full, it has 10. So straight away we can fill our tens frames up. There we go. So I found some Lego, so you can use whatever you have in your house, Lego or any of your toys, anything you can find to use on your tens frame. So you can see there I've made 1 10 and 2 ones. So one of my tens frames is full, and I know if a tens frame is full it's 10, and then 2 extra ones gives me the number 12. Okay, so here's another one I've done. So this is the number 14, and we can see again it's a 2-digit number, and the number 1 is telling us it has 1 10. So there's my tens frame that's full, it has 1 10, and the other number, the number 4, is telling us how many ones are in that number. So you can see on my tens frame I have put 4 ones. So 1 10 and 4 ones gives us the number 14. Okay, I want you to have a little think now. So here's the number 11. I want you to think how many tens and how many ones are in that number. Have a look carefully, see if you can work it out. Okay, well done if you said 1 10 and 1 1. So there you can see I've made it on the tens frame. My tens frame is full to show 1 10, and then on the other tens frame I put 1 on there, and that makes 11. Okay, another little problem now. So we've got the number 20 this time. So have a look at those digits. Have a look at the first digit, that tells us how many tens, and then the next digit tells us how many ones. So how many tens and how many ones are in the number 20? Okay, well done if you said 2 tens and 0 ones. So you can see now on my tens frames I have filled them both, because 2 tens give us 20. So we've got 2 tens, 0 ones, 20. Okay, have a look at this one then. How many tens and how many ones are in the number 16? Have a little think. Okay, well done if you said 1 10 and 6 ones. So again, I've made it on my tens frame. One of them is full, 1 10, and then on the other one I put my 6 ones. Okay, a little bit different this time. I've made a number, so I want you to look really carefully. How many tens, so how many tens frames are full, and how many ones. See if you can work out what number I've made on my tens frame. Okay, well done if you said the number 15. You can see there's 1 10 and 5 extra ones. So 1 10 and 5 ones gives us the number 15. Well done. Okay, another one this time. So have a look. How many tens? How many ones? What number have I made this time? Okay, well done if you said the number 18. We can see there is 1 tens frame that is full, so that's 1 10. And then on the other tens frame there were 8 ones, so 1 10 and 8 ones gives us 18. Well done. Okay, this is your task for today then. So using your tens frames and anything you can find around your house, I would like you to see if you can make these different numbers. So you can pause the screen and see if you can make those numbers using your tens frames, and then you can get your mummies and daddies to take some photographs, and we'd love to see your tens frames full with these different numbers. Okay, bye everybody.